Have you ever noticed how the more we understand the fundamentals of something, the better we are at fixing it? Whether it's a computer glitch or a tricky math problem, a bit of basic knowledge can go a long way. No matter what you're into, coding, sports, art, or math, there are core basics to everything. Mastering these fundamentals isn't just about making stuff work, it's about making it work well in any situation. As a society, we spend a lot of time learning about the world around us, but not a lot of time understanding the essential science about how we work as people. When we understand some of this basic science behind some of our own anatomy, why we think, feel, and act the way we do, we can focus more on what we can control and spend less time on what we can't. This means less stress getting lost in the unknown and more time succeeding in all areas of life. Think about how much more time, energy, and stress you'd experience in your work right now if you didn't know the basics. Engineering, project management, coding, writing an email that isn't going to get you fired. Understanding this stuff isn't just about feeling good and feeling productive. It helps us connect and work better with others, which is exactly what the research is saying is needed in today's workforce. We know how valuable these basics are for everything else, but largely, as a society, we don't learn the basics of our brain and physical anatomy functions that are driving forces of our thoughts, emotions, interactions, and behaviors. And there isn't a systemic approach to learning these need to know, like learning your ABCs or your 1, 2, 3s, like there are for many other subjects. Fortunately, though, what you can benefit from understanding can be learned fairly quickly, and that's what we're diving into today. There's nothing to lose and a whole lot to gain, so let's get into the science of the human experience to unlock our full potential. The top skills employers often seek when it comes to hiring are leadership, ability to work on teams, written and verbal communication skills, and problem-solving skills. What we're about to cover will support all of these areas and beyond. And fortunately, a little bit of information packs a lot of power and is applicable wherever you are, whatever you're doing, and with whomever you're with.